Crazy Greens is back, guys, and guess what? Today I'm doing flambe. Yes, I'm going ahead and I'm gonna make some pasta for you guys. Flambe edition. I know you're gonna love, I know you're gonna enjoy. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, and yeah, come on and join me in the kitchen. Okay guys, today I'll be making for you tuna pasta, a very quick and easy dinner or lunch idea. Here I'll be explaining the major ingredients we'll be using for this dish. Here I have some spaghetti, I have corn, this is half can corn, 2 cans tuna, 2 cups broccoli, and I chopped it really small. I'm using a can coconut milk, and here I have half cup onion, a clove of garlic chopped, thyme, scallion, we have half cup carrots, and here I have about 1 cup sweet pepper, and I'm using a variety of color sweet pepper. So these are all the ingredients we'll be, well, the major ingredients we'll be using for this dish. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. Water for pasta is almost boiling. We're just gonna add some salt to that for taste, and we're gonna use half pack of our spaghetti. Guys, I'm not going to break the noodles, I'm just going to add it to the pot like this. As you can see, it's not fully submerged in the water, so I'm just gonna let that section of it cook a little bit, and then I just put it all the way through. So that's the quantity we'll be using for today, and that's half cup. So as soon as this side is softened a little bit, we can just go ahead and push the entire thing down inside, and then we're just going to leave it to boil. Let me just get everything done so you guys can see it, and there we go. Our noodles are all covered in water, so we're just going to leave it to boil. Okay guys, so our spaghetti is ready, it's cooked and everything. I'll drain the water off, and it's time for us to start making our pasta. As you can see, I'm adding some oil to the pot here. I'm about to make my second flambe attempt, so I hope it works out well this time. Let's see. Wish me luck, guys. So first I'm going to add my garlic, and we're just sauteing our seasoning, and add my thyme as well. Just rub everything in. And then we add our onions, scallion, just rub everything in to get the flavors going. Our peppers. I'm gonna add our carrots as well, because you know you want them to be cooked. Alright. You hear that sizzling sound, guys? The oil is hot. Everything looking good, looking beautiful. Just saute them some more. Alright, so it's flambe time. We're gonna take the pot off the stove, and we're gonna add our alcohol to it. So we're using Appleton. Woo! Flambe! So there you have it, guys. This is what our finished product looks like. I went ahead and I served it inside some purple cabbage leaves. It looks so good and it tastes so great. Go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you all next week with another crazy idea.